Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm going to show you how to change name on Real Boxing 2. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Next, you have to click on your profile and click on your name. After that, click on your name and there you will see edit a new nickname. You have to click on that and type a new nickname. After typing a new nickname, you have to click on OK and click on change. Now your name is changed. So this is how you change your name in Real Boxing 2. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.